Northumberland County Councils are the largest unitary authority in the country. It's nearly 2,000 square miles, of which 97% of that is classified as rural. It has a population of 316,000 people spread out over 160,000 residential properties. And in terms of the services that we deliver everything from fire and rescue to council tax to social care to all of your waste management and neighbourhood services. We started to use the Totalmobile solution primarily because of the ruralness of Northumberland and the lack of connectivity that we have. So we couldn't do jobs and tasks in real time. We needed to have a solution that worked offline. The other reasons for using Totalmobile was the ability to kind of cut out duplication, so people weren't recording things on paper, then coming back to the office to input into systems. It enabled us to capture photographic evidence of anything that we needed to capture too. We wanted one solution for all services, so Totalmobile could be utilised by many of our different council areas rather than relying on separate solutions for separate services.
If we need to do life-saving equipment audit, that would have been done on paper previously. Now the in-house team will use Totalmobile, develop an app literally to record data, including dropping a pin in a location plan. So we, by the end of the working week, have a full, accurate and auditable record of where all the equipment is, including conditional surveys and things like that. So it's very adaptable, very efficient, and it just saves a huge amount of time. I think the best thing about Totalmobile is its ease of use. And once you know how to use it for one scenario, you kind of know how to use it for any scenario.
Originally there was a bit of negativity, but not because of the app, but I think it was more they felt that they needed to be tech savvy to use it. When we sort of like went through the training with them and sort of showed them how they're going to be able to easily access it on their phone, they just sort of realised, well, yeah, that's no different to, you know, if you can use Amazon or something else, you can use Totalmobile app. You can it's just hitting boxes and answering questions. We've got quite a few aging sort of members of staff, and we've got one particular gentleman who's nearly 78 years old who really didn't like using mobile phones and happily used it and finds it really easy, and he actually is the first person to get all his audits through checks was at the beginning of the week.
In elections we have 227 polling stations spread throughout a massive geographical county. The challenge for us to the Totalmobile team was to keep us informed as to where each of the equipment from the polling station at the close of poll was at any given time. One of the main benefits that we were able to bring into this was that anybody can use it. If you've got a mobile phone, you can use it. If you've got any kind of device that we can link into, you can record where things are.
We've been using Totalmobile solutions for 6 years now, and we would definitely recommend using it to anybody that wants to mobilise their workforce.